Hello everyone. Do you know who I am? Oops! Switch on the lights, please. That's fine. Let me tell you who I am and what we are about to learn. We are going to learn about different shapes. There are many different shapes like circles, rectangles, triangles. Ooh! You don't know any of them? Anyway, let us begin. There! That's a square. And that is who I am. A square. A square has 4 equal sides and equal angles. Yes, all 4 sides are absolutely equal. For example, if one side is 15 cm, then other 3 sides too will be the same, that is 15 cm. Got it? Good! Let us now find out the objects which are shaped like a square. Here what you see is a photo frame. It's got 4 sides and all of them are equal. And this is a chessboard. A chessboard has got black squares and white squares. Chess was a game played by kings in the old days. Today it is considered a game played by very clever people. Even loaves of bread can be square-shaped. Don't you think so? Hey! Someone has bitten a piece of the bread. Ha 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 ha! I hope now you know everything about a square. Let us learn about some more shapes. This is one of the most common shapes in the whole world. It's a circle. A circle has no sides or sharp corners, unlike a square or other shapes. Look how I can move my head round like a wheel. That is what can be done with a circle. A circle is something that is perfectly round. In fact, our own Earth is round. Let us look at other things that are circular. A wall clock. See how the needle moves round in a full circle, completing one arc. If you take a careful look at the little boy on his bicycle, see how the bicycle wheels move round and round, pushing the bicycle forward. The wheel was among the first inventions of an ancient man. That is how he learned how to move. A coin is round and it is also a circle. Most coins in the world are round. Now we know what is a square and what is a circle. Let us proceed and find out something about a triangle. I am a triangle. I have one of the most basic shapes of geometry. I have got an odd kind of shape because triangles can come in many types: equilateral, isosceles, scalene, etc. A triangle has three sides and are two-dimensional. These are the three sides of a triangle. When you have all the three sides equal, then the triangle is called an equilateral triangle. We can learn of other types of triangles in detail some other time. So, what are the objects that look like a triangle? How about this delicious cake? Doesn't it look like a triangle? Tastes good. Even tents sometimes seem to resemble triangles. That bell is surely shaped like one solid triangle. So what kind of a shape does a triangle have? That's right. It is three-sided. Hey! Someone is pushing me out. I am a rectangle, more commonly seen around and definitely better looking than a triangle. I resemble a square, in the sense that I too have four sides. But all the four sides are not equal. Only two sides are equal. Most objects you would see will be shaped like me. For example, a mobile phone, television, air conditioner, and many others. Now, take a look at my fingers. There, these are the four sides. Let me explain to you all the properties of a rectangle. Okay? A rectangle has four sides. We have already learned that. Two sides will always be equal. If one side is 7.5 cm, the opposite side will also be 7.5 cm. But since all four sides in a rectangle are not equal, the other two sides would be different. In this case, the two sides are 15 cm. I hope you will remember how a rectangle looks like. Let us proceed and find out the thing shaped rectangular. That fish tank is a perfect rectangle, but not the fish. And the bus too is shaped like a rectangle. Look at my hands. I have an eraser. See how it has got four sides. And it looks like a rectangle, doesn't it? Wow, what's happening? I seem to be disappearing. Hey, are you wondering who this funny looking creature is? And what kind of shape is this? I am a cone, pointed on one side. An object shaped like a cone is said to be conical. A cone is also another basic shape of geometry, but getting to see conical objects in our everyday life is not so easy. In laboratories, you will find conical cups with top open. It will also have markings for measurements. Conical shapes have inspired many things. Here, take a look at this. The edge is pointed, and when the cone is in a standing position, it is V-shaped with the top open. Cones do not necessarily need to be in an upright position. It can also be inverted, like this. You see that boy eating an ice cream? That is called an ice cream cone. And take a look at his hat. It is a conical hat. Let me see, what are the other conical objects? Alright, we'll learn about them some other time. We shall proceed to learn other shapes. Why are you staring at me like that? I might look like a circle, cut in half, but I'm an important shape. I'm a semicircle. Yes, that means half a circle. I have many uses. Can you imagine what you would do without soup bowls? Bowls are semicircles. Add another semicircle to me and what do you get? A circle. Two semicircles make a full and perfect circle. Got that? When you have an object like a semicircle placed on the ground, it will not fall but keep rocking. See? A semicircle is a two-dimensional geometric shape that forms half of a circle. The arc of a semicircle always measures 180 degrees. This cap has got the shape of a semicircle. And so has this watermelon. The base of this rocking toy is also a semicircle. Semicircles are actually arrangements of objects in the shape of half a circle or just a plain figure with the shape of a half circle. Semicircles, circles, and all things round. Here I am, another shape, a lot like the circle. I am an oval. I am related to the circle. I am not perfectly round, but round enough. My shape surely reminds you of an egg, curving and somewhat round. I cannot rotate in a smooth fashion like the wheels on a bicycle, which is perfectly round. If you just press me lightly on the two sides. Now. So, let's not get confused. I am an oval. In geometry, an oval is a curve, shaped somewhat like an egg. We can now look at some oval-shaped objects. And of course, we have already told you the oval resembles an egg. And those two balloons. The bar of soap. They too are oval-shaped. Do you know that many cricket grounds around the world are called oval? The Adelaide Oval in Australia and the Kensington Oval in Barbados. Hi, I'm a diamond. I'm a diamond shape. Diamonds are very expensive jewelry and are specifically well known as a mineral. My shape is not as common as a rectangle or circle, but there are many things that are diamond shaped. Look, I have two slopes on each side. I am referred to in geometry as a rhombus. When you have a diamond shape or a rhombus, two sides will always be parallel. It will also have four pointed sides. It is easy to identify these shapes. Here, you can see a kite that is diamond shaped. And of course, the magnificent diamond itself. Here is an interesting fact about a diamond. Diamonds are the hardest known natural mineral and can only be scratched by another diamond. So there! Don't try to scratch any diamond with your hands. You will never succeed. When you drink water from a glass tumbler, think of me. I am a cylinder. Right? Glass tumblers are shaped like a cylinder. See this and this. Both these curved objects put together around me form a cylinder. I am round and can be rolled. As long as I am round and three-dimensional, I will remain a cylinder, even if I am pulled from the top or sideways. A cylinder is a three-dimensional shape. It is a solid object that has a circular base and a height. A candle is cylindrical. That mug of steaming coffee and the water bottle too are cylindrical. There! Now I hope you know all about cylinders. There! Now I hope you know all about cylinders. I am a sphere. I am round and three-dimensional. Did you know that our very own Earth is spherical in shape? A sphere is a popular shape. There are many objects that look like a sphere. In short, I am nothing more than a ball, very smooth and round. All the children love to play with me since I resemble a ball. See, I can even bounce. Now, let's take a closer look at the sphere. The term sphere is used to refer either to a three-dimensional ball or to its surface. We shall find out many things that look like a sphere. An orange, the globe, this ball. All of these three objects are spherical. Kids, it was good to have you with us. I'm sure now you know so many shapes, many more than all your friends do. Goodbye.